Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add a manual activity on Strava. So, first of all, when you go to your account, here you will find activities or add your activity. There's many ways to add your activity with them, so you can add them through many places. For example, here you will find your activities that you have added in total. But in case you really want to create a new activity, then simply go here and choose add manual entry. This will allow you to add activities in this area. As you can see here, I can here fully put the distance that I have done, the duration of the activity, the elevation, sport that I have done, either walking, running, or simply just working out, a bike, like running with a bike, hike, swim, etc. The day and time, the title for this activity that I would like it to be called with, and a small description to describe what I have done during the activity. Here, the type of run, was it a race or long run, or simply a workout? You can add a couple of tags, and you can add here what type of shoes you have wore. This will help you a lot to analyze the shoes and do a lot of things, but normally for people that run casually, if not as professional, you don't really care about this. Here you can leave some private notes just so you can improve the next time, and once everything is done, click on create, and the activity should be added automatically to here. Let me just show you. As you can see, this is where it should be showing. In case you want to delete it, then simply click on delete, and the activity should be deleted within few seconds. The deleted activity should be here in the recently deleted, and they will be completely deleted after 30 days. So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys a lot for watching.